Advanced atomization technology is also residue-free. Aromly Wi-Fi scent diffuser is the perfect choice for all your aromatherapy needs. Aromax by Aromly is perfect for large applications. Large bottle of 1000 ml. Safe for pets, children, and furniture. Wi-Fi controlled scent diffuser, suitable for commercial and residential applications. Luxurious and modern metal design. It's perfect for home and offices up to 600 square feet. Fits in anywhere from your home to your office. Aerolux is a smart, elegant diffuser that intelligently and quietly releases aromatic scents for long-lasting pleasure. Enjoy your favorite scents anywhere with AeroCar. Stylish, portable, and rechargeable car diffuser. AeroCar by Aromly uses only one button operation and requires no assembly.